Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Vimo from How to Geek. In this guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can add someone's Instagram story to our own Instagram story. Now there is a certain rule which you should follow in order to add somebody else's story to our own story. So you want to make sure to follow through all the steps which I describe on this video. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. So how to add somebody else's Instagram story to our own Instagram story. In this video, we are simply going to learn how we can add someone's story to our own Instagram story. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do that very easily. First things first, let me go ahead and make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Then after we have updated Instagram, I'm going to simply open Instagram, and also you want to make sure that you are currently logged into your account. So let's say I want to add somebody's story to my own Instagram story right over here, and if I tap on their story and if I tap on the DM icon at the bottom right, you can see that we have the option to actually send this to our contacts, but we don't have the option to actually add this story to our story. So even if I tap on the three dots on the top right, and even if I tap on the share to button right over here, I actually have the option to share it to my friends on DMs and chats, but we don't have the option to actually add it back to our story. Now why this option is missing is because most likely we are not tagged on the story. In case of stories, how it works on Instagram is that if you want to add somebody else's story to your own story, you want to make sure that you are tagged in that story, because if you are not tagged, you will not be able to directly mention that story on your own story. The only thing you can do is to simply take a screenshot of this story right over here. Once you take a screenshot, you can go about and adding a story right over here, tap on the story button, select the photo which we just actually took, and you can select the screenshot right over here. If you want, you can go about mentioning this person or mentioning this profile, and once done, you can go ahead and tap add this to my story, because the only way to actually share stories on Instagram is to make sure that you are tagged in the story. If not, you will simply have to download the story or to take a screenshot and then add it to your story. So this was it on how you can actually add other story to your own story on Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.